Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nisha and today I'm going to be showing you how I wax and shape my eyebrows. I'm Persian, so I have really bushy eyebrows if I don't keep up with it. I tend to touch them up like at least once a week. You know, when they're brushed out, they look fine, but you know, they're actually really long. They need a good cut. My unibrows growing in, and you know, the sides of my eyebrows here, I wax all this stuff, and underneath, of course, and my mustache, which you can't see, but you can see a little bit, right? Just a little bit. It's not a lot, obviously, like a man, but it's more than your average girl for sure. What I like to use, I wish I knew how to thread, but I don't. So I like to use just Nair Ready wax strips. Buy them from Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Safeway, anywhere. You can actually buy this anywhere, and I think it's like maybe $8, and it's totally worth it because it comes with quite a few wax strips that they're all small, so you can use them on your face. But I like this one the best because this layer of it is actually clear. So when I put it on my skin, I can see where I'm putting it, which is important, obviously, because, you know, if I put it in the wrong spot, then I might wax off my entire eyebrow. So I need to be super careful with that. So let's see. So I'm going to start off with cutting them. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just looking into my mirror here if you're wondering what I'm looking at. See how those hairs here, they're sticking up? I'm just cutting them so that when I brush them up, they're not sticking out. Okay. Now, I cut them first because, you know, I can see all the hairs around it that I need to get rid of to make it look clean. Okay, that looks good. So now I'll just do the other side. And if you're wondering if I'm using a toothbrush, yes, I am. And that's because I just find it works really good. It's pretty big. I can keep washing it. I've had this for years, and I just think it works so much better than an actual eyebrow brush. It's just the way that I feel. Okay, I'm gonna do this side too. So this side was obviously a lot bushier. For the longest time, my mom used to be the only person that would do my eyebrows. And then I moved out of my parents' house, and I no longer had the luxury of getting my mom to do my eyebrows. She did them so good. So I had to learn how to do it because otherwise my eyebrows just get really bushy. I was always made fun of for my eyebrows when I was younger, so it's definitely an insecurity of mine, so I never let it get really bad. See this clear one? You can see exactly where you're putting it. Okay, and I always want to pull it the direction of the hair growth. Okay, and then I like to do the sides too. All right, this is the part where I'm always scared of because it's so close to my eyebrows. So that's why I really like the fact that this is clear. See, look, you see that? Oh, fuck. Fuck. That fucking hurt. Holy shit, I don't think that worked. Oh my God. I mean, it did a little bit, but... Good. And then I throw this away. See? That's how hairy I am. It's really gross. If you're Middle Eastern, you feel my struggle that I've been dealing with. But you know what? At least I have eyebrows. You know, I would much rather have to do this than have no eyebrows and have to color them all the time. Sorry. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Do you see why I start off by cutting my eyebrows? It's because now that the shape is there, all I have to do is clean up around it. I don't usually let it grow all the way, so it's because I don't want it to get that bad. So this stuff works really good. I wish I knew how to thread. I feel like it would be a lot easier for me, but I don't know how to do it. Didn't work the first time. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Much better. And as you can see, it's starting to get red. It's definitely working though, which is good. It's just so much faster. I used to just use a tweezer, but I find that takes forever. And you know, as an adult, time passes by so fast and I literally don't have time for anything in my life ever. So if I find something that helps make the daily thing, the things that I do all the time go by faster, then perfect. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. Ugh. All right, next is the part that I hate doing the most, and that's my upper lip. It's just a sensitive area and it hurts a lot, but obviously I need to do it because who wants to have a stash? Not me. I hate doing this. Oh my god. Oh, it works so good though. And you know what? My palette broke. Oh, I guess I'm gonna use my massive mirror here. That hurt. Oh my god. I just did it in the same spot so many times. It's so red. Oh my god, look at that. And take your time because the more you do it, obviously your skin gets very red and irritated. All right, now to do the other side. I'm just looking in my mirror here because my handheld one is not good. Faster this time. Much more effective. Okay, I'm just gonna do that one more time. 2 is usually a good number for me, at least. I never get everything on the first try. Good enough. So now I'm done with the waxing and I'm going to touch up on the little spots where the waxing didn't get. I have my tweezers and I'm pretty much just gonna go at it. Okay, I got another handheld mirror, which is a lot better. Oh my god, today's just not my day, I guess. What the... All right, so hopefully I can actually get this done. I am losing my mind. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, I don't have any left. They usually come with like these wipes, these after wax wipes. It's like oil, but I don't have any left, so that sucks. That's okay. The show must go on. Okay, looking good. Wow, do you see this? Looking good. Okay. I'm honestly the worst at getting my unibrow. I don't know why. I always fuck it up. So let's try using a wax strip. Okay. 1, 2. Bitch, if that didn't work, it did. Perfect. See? Can you see? No. That doesn't work. Like, wow, that worked really good. Holy shit. Okay. I wonder if I can use this for under my eye. I'm scared. I never really do it under the eye like this. Let's try though. Let's see if it works. Scared. Oh, fuck. No. Does not work for me. Okay, well, I don't want to waste this last one here, so I'm just going to go over this spot again because, you know, I still have some hairs. Nice! It actually got a bunch of hairs. Perfect. Okay, and we're almost done here. Just need to finish up on the left side. This fucking mirror. Thanks for watching my video. If you like to see these kind of things, give me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know how you think my eyebrows look. I find one of them always looks uneven, but I guess eyebrows are sisters, not twins. All right? Well, I hope you keep watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.